Meet the K-Tuned Billet ECU Case, a clean, high-quality housing built for modern K-series tuning. Designed around the 2002 to 2004 RSX ECU footprint, this case gives aftermarket ECUs an OEM-style fit with a far better layout. It's made to support two of the most common K-series solutions, the Hondata K-Pro, which reuses the factory ECU board, and the Link G4X K20X, a full standalone option. Both sit securely inside a rigid, precision-machined billet shell. For wiring and routing, the case features two rubber grommets. One is positioned specifically to accommodate the Hondata K-Pro connection, while the other provides a clean pass-through for extra auxiliary wiring or a vacuum line. There's also a round side port, plugged out of the box, that can be used for a Link USB connection or additional routing. On the base, 4 M6 mounting holes make installation simple and solid. If you're upgrading your ECU, this case keeps the setup protected, tidy, and built to last.